Do you have a dream of becoming a holistic massage or beauty therapist, but spend most of your days clock watching, busy being, or flatlining? Whatever your situation, what is stopping you from making this dream come true? Maybe you're stuck in a rut or lack confidence, courage, or know how. Well, as cheesy as it sounds, time waits for no one, and I am here to give you a friendly nudge. Bing! I'm your fairy dream activator, Zoe Penny, and I'm a holistic and beauty therapist, and I've been working in the industry for over 20 years. So if you're an absolute beginner and you're looking to retrain, get in touch. Or if you're already an experienced therapist and you're looking to add further strings to your bow, then I have courses available for you as well. Okay, thanks for your time, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.